Man, that firewall is chewed up.
This 1960 Corvette has so many holes in the firewall from all the work being done on it over the years, it looks like trash. So we're gonna put in a nice, flat, smooth firewall on this thing and some custom latches.
All you're gonna see is this little ring sticking out of the fiberglass when it's all said and done,
Instead of those big, ugly latches that are hanging out right there. That is looking real smooth. When we get into the next phase and get all the body work in, it'll be even nicer. But for now, I'm okay so with that.